What's happening, y'all? Hey, doing a little update on my BW Sports rod storage travel bag here. Last video I showed you, it was snapped right there, and today we're fixing it. So try to do this with my phone. So these tubes, rod tubes, come out that they put in here. Try to do this one-handed. There we go. Got it out. And then what they do is they have it taped here. I'm going to just pull it up. Bear with me. Okay, so I got it out. And you see, it's just a PVC pipe, 2.5 inch, and snapped where those two connect. So what I did is at work, we had some scrap 2.5 inch Schedule 40. Show you the difference. I can see how thick the difference is. I get that even with it there. Okay, quite a bit of difference, like double the thickness. So what I did was I measured it. It was like 47 3/4. This section right here is 24 inches. So I cut it down. You see, angled it, filed it down so there's no rough edges. So now all I gotta do is, I already fixed this side. Now I want to do this side. All right, got it on there. I just gotta tape this end, and I want to tape that in. The other one wasn't. But do that, and then I'll slip this together. I'll get back at you. All right, use hockey tape. So now slip this back in. Yeah, use two hands again. Apologize. All right, so I got it. This thing is solid now. So definitely going to last longer than that thin PVC. The problem is it's so thick it barely fits in here with both of them. So I can see why they did what they did. But I'm ready to go for another trip. I think these will hold up just fine. So I only use cheap, I'm using cheap ugly sticks. So I'm not worried if I don't want them to get broke. But if they get broke, I'm okay with it. I'm not okay with it, but it is what it is. If I take my expensive ones, I'm going to use a bazooka right here. The problem with this one is all my expensive rods are single piece. I don't think I can extend this out. Let's see. Goes to 87 inches. Maybe. I have to try it out. But then I have to separate the reels from the rods. Where this one I can put the rods with the reels in there. But all right, y'all. Appreciate y'all. Peace out.